Magic Day 15. Magically heal your relationships. If you have a difficult or broken relationship, or you're suffering from a broken heart, or hold any resentment or blame towards another person for anything, you can share it through gratitude. Gratitude would magically improve any difficult relationship, whether the person it's husband or wife, brother or sister, etc. When we are faced with a difficult relationship or a challenging situation in a relationship, it is almost in any case we are not in at least bit grateful for the other person. Instead, we are busy blaming the person for the problems we had with them. And it means don't have a shred of gratitude. Blame is never going to make a relationship better, or it's never going to make anything in your life better. In fact, the more you blame, this worse the relationship get and the worse your life gets, whether it's current relationship or past relationship. If you harbor bad feelings towards another person, participating gratitude will eliminate those feelings. Why would you want to remove your bad feelings about another person? Bad feelings about another person burn your life, but gratitude would eliminate them. For example, if you have an ex partner who is connected to you through your children and the relationship isn't good, look at the children's face and realize that they wouldn't be alive if it wasn't the ex partner. Your children's lives are the most precious gifts you have. Look at the children and give thanks to your ex partner for their lives every single day, as well as bringing peace and harmony to the relationship through your example will be teaching your children the greatest rule of your life, gratitude. Or if you are suffering from a broken heart or a grief due to a relationship having ended, you can use gratitude's magical power to transform the pain. Gratitude magically transforms emotional pain into healing, happiness faster than anything else. And the story of my parents is the perfect example of that. My mother and father fell in love with each other virtually at first sight from the moment they met. They were truly grateful to be with each other, and they had the most beautiful marriage I've ever seen. When my father died, my mother and understandably suffered from enormous grief. After months of suffering, she began to use gratitude's magical power, and despite of immense grief and pain, she looked for the things to be grateful for. She began with the past and she recalled all the wonderful times of happiness she had received through the decades with my father. Today's magical practice, you are going to look at a hot coal that is burning your life. They literally turn into the gold through gratitude. Choose one difficult, problematic, or broken relationship that you want to improve. It doesn't matter whether the person is currently in your life or in the past relationship. Sit down and make a list of 10 things you are grateful for about the person you have chosen. Think about the back through the history of relationship. List the great things about the person and the great things you have received from the person, the relationship. The easiest way to do this is to think back for the things happened before the relationship deteriorated or ended. The magical practice is not about who is right or wrong. No matter what you feel someone has done to you, no matter what someone or didn't want to do, there is gold in every relationship, even the difficult ones. To bring riches to the relationship and your life, you have to find the gold. As you dig and discover the nugget of gold, write it down. Address the person by name and express your sentence in the gratitude. Name dash. I am grateful for dash. That is what. Paul, I am grateful for our time together. While our marriage did end, I learned a lot. I am so much wiser today, and I use what I learned from our marriage in many of our relationships today. Second, Paul, I am grateful for everything you did for me and make our marriage work, because 10 years of marriage means you did try. Third, Paul, I am grateful for you to our children's. The joy I have received from them every day could not be without you. Paul, I am grateful for your support when I went through a difficult time of grief and loss. Paul, I am grateful for the great times we had, and we did have many. Paul, I am grateful for that you want to continue to be a father to our children. By the time you finish your gratitude list by 10 things, you should feel much more better about the person and the relationship. The ultimate point, you want to be rich, is where you don't have the bad feelings towards the person anymore. because it's your life that is harmed by those feelings. Every relationship is different, and if needed be, they may choose to repeat the magical practice over several days until you reach the point where you don't have any bad feeling towards the person. If you choose past relationship where you are not in contact with the person anymore, you will feel peace and harmony fill you, and at the same time you will see current relationships in your life magically improve. In the future, if a relationship becomes challenging, remember to use the magical practice immediately. You will stop the difficulties before they get any worse, any bigger, and instead you will increase the magic in the relationship. Thank you. Have a great day.